Okay, good afternoon children. So yesterday what we learned about? We learned about the BODMAS rule. We learned about the BODMAS rule. So BODMAS, B-O-D-M-A-S. Okay. So B, what is called B children? Bracket. B is called bracket. Go of D, division, M, multiplication, A, addition, S, subtraction. Okay now. So BODMAS rule. In the BODMAS rule, you have to first solve brackets. Next off means nothing but multiplication. Next division, next multiplication, addition, subtraction. Okay. So in the brackets we are having first one is vinculum. This is called vinculum. You should solve first vinculum. After that, small brackets. After that, small brackets. After that, curly brackets. After that, square brackets. Okay. First, you should solve vinculum. Then, you should move to small bracket. Then, you should solve curly bracket. Then, square brackets. Okay, children. So, you should go through this. You should apply this BODMAS rule for the solving the problems. Okay, children? Did you understand that? Next. So already we have started examples and sums using these BODMAS rules yesterday. Exercise 1.4 first Roman are completed. Next, second Roman, see children. Simplify the following. Second Roman, simplify the following. First one, 8 into 3 minus 13 minus 7. 8 into 3 minus 13 minus 7. So how to simplify this one, children? So first what is given? Given 8 into 3 minus 13 minus 7. Okay. Now, which one you should solve first? Here what are the operations are there? Multiplication, subtraction is there. First what we should do? Yes, multiplication. Multiplication. Okay. So 8 into 3. 3 is how much children? 24 minus 13 minus 7. After that what you should do? Subtraction. Do the subtraction children. 24 minus 13. How much? 4 minus 3, 1. 2 minus 1, 1. Minus 7. Again also subtraction. 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7, how much children? 4. Okay? Come on, do. See here, the printing mistake is there, ma. 8 into 3 minus 13 minus 7 bar is there. Okay. So here you have to solve it. Printing mistake is there. Bar is there. Okay. 8 into 3 minus 13 minus 7. What you should do first? Vinculum. Vinculum you should solve. So 8 into 3 minus 13 minus 7. How much 13 minus 7 children? 13 minus 7 is 6. Okay, so vinculum completed. Next, multiplication. Multiplication. 8 is 24 minus 6. Okay, 24 minus 6. Now subtraction. Subtraction. 24 minus 6 how much? 18. 18 is the answer. Okay, children? So in the textbook, bar is not given in the textbook. Okay, all of you keep it there. Bar. Next, second sum. Curly bracket given 12 minus 14 minus 8 plus 7 curly bracket close. Here 14 minus 8 having vinculum. In your textbooks there is no vinculum, you should keep it. 14 minus 8 vinculum. Okay. Minus 15. So what is given? 12 minus 14 minus 8 plus 7 minus 15 given. So first what you should solve? You should solve vinculum. So first one is vinculum. 12 minus 14 minus 8. How much? 14 minus 8? 6 plus 7 minus 15. Next, you should solve curly bracket. You should solve curly bracket. Okay. In the curly bracket, they are having subtraction and addition. So which one you should do first? Subtraction or addition? Yes, addition. Addition. 12 minus 6 plus 7. Minus 6 plus 7 how much? Minus 1. Minus 15. Okay. Next you should do subtraction. Subtraction. 12 minus 1 how much? 11. Next minus 15. Minus 15. 11 minus 15. How much? This is also subtraction. Minus 4. Okay? Come on, write. Yeah, observe here, see. Sorry. Twelve plus 7. You should add first these two. 12 plus 7, 19 minus 6. 19 minus 6. How much, children? 13 minus 15. 13 minus 15 how much? Minus 2. Okay? Right. Next, third one, children. So what is the third question given here? 16 minus small bracket 4 plus 18 divided by 6 minus 7 minus 5 small bracket close and 7 minus 5 have a vinculum. In your textbooks 18 divided by 6 is there. So you should do 7 minus 5, keep the vinculum into 5. Change that one number. So given 16 minus small bracket 4 plus 18 divided by 6 minus 7 minus 5 bar into 5. Okay, first what you should solve? Vinculum. Okay, so vinculum. 16 minus 4 plus 18 divided by 6 minus 7 minus 5. How much? 2 into 5. Next, what you should solve? Small brackets. Okay, small bracket you should solve. Small bracket. In that small bracket, we are having so many operations are there. Addition, division, subtraction. What you should do first? Yes, you should do division first. Okay. Division. 4 plus 18 divided by 6. How much? 18 divided by 6? 3. Minus 2 into 5. Next, addition, subtraction. Which one you should do first? Addition. Next one you should do addition. 16 minus 4 plus 3, 7 minus 2 into 5. Okay. Next, subtraction. Subtraction. 16 minus 7 minus 2, 5 into 5. Okay. So now open the brackets. We have completed now 7 minus 2, 5 into 5. Next, multiplication. Multiplication and subtraction is there. Which one you should do first? Multiplication. Next one, multiplication. So 16 minus 5 into 5. 5 5 how much? 25. Now subtraction. Sixteen minus 25. How much you get? Minus 9. Okay? Right. Next, fourth sum, say children. Curly bracket 6 of 145 divided by 3 plus 2, close the curly bracket, divided by 2 minus 4 of 20. So what is given? Given 6 of 145 divided by 3 plus 2 divided by 2 minus 4 of 20. So first what you should solve? Bracket you should solve. In the bracket first what you should solve? Small brackets. Okay, small bracket you should solve first. Small bracket. 6 of 145 divided by 3 plus 2. How much? 5. Okay, divided by 2 minus 4 of 20. Now what you should solve here? Curly bracket. Curly bracket. In the curly bracket, here of is there, divided by is there. Which one you should solve first? Of or divided by? Of. Okay. First board must solve. B after bo. Of. Okay. So first you should solve of. Of means nothing but multiplication. 6 of 145. How much? 6 5 30. 3 is remaining. 6 4 24 plus 3 27. 2 is remaining. 6 1 6 plus 2 8. 870 divided by 5 divided by 2 minus 4 of 20. Okay. Now division. Do the division. 870 divided by how much? 5 ones 5. 3 is remaining 37. 5 sevens 35. Okay, 2 is remaining. 5 fours 20. So 174 divided by 2 minus 4 of 20. Now what you should solve here? Division, subtraction, off. Off we should solve. Okay, off. So 174 divided by 2 minus 4 of 20. How much? 420 is 80. Okay. Now division, subtraction. Which one you should do first? Division. Division. So 174 divided by 2. How much? 2 8 16. 1 is remaining. 2 7 40. Minus 80. So 87 minus 80. How much? 87 minus 87. Here what is the operation? Subtraction. Okay, ma'am? Come on, do it. After that, you should do fifth sum homework. Last sum. Okay? You should do fifth sum homework.